Oh hey buddy, today we're gonna do a lowrider update. Thank you, you're too kind. But yeah, so we're gonna start off on the front. Now I'm tracing this this metal O, square metal O. I don't know if I'm doing it right, so if you know anything about this and you know that I'm doing it wrong, just keep that to yourself. That could be our little secret. You know what I'm saying? So right now, we're about to cut into it. You know, once we do this, game over. I mean, you know, if it's wrong, but if it's right, game on. So yeah, I'm making quick work of it. I thought about speeding this part up, but then I said, you know what? I'm going fast enough. So yeah, that's actual speed. Oh hey buddy, today we're gonna wait. Nah, don't worry about it. I got this. Start my video. I got this. I already started the video. I'm already talking on it. Everything is good. Already just going back. You're not even supposed to finish a nap. I got a nap. You take a nap. I'm good. So where was I? Oh yeah. So right here, we gonna have to cut this little nub off. I'm gonna cut you out. You're not even gonna. You gonna have to be quiet, bro. So we gonna cut this little part off right here, so that we could fit this motor in here. Watch. You know, just right. So I'm gonna mark it, and then we go cut it off. I'm gonna cut you. Okay. I'm not even gonna edit you out. I'm gonna let you continue to talk on this video, and we're gonna see how you do. So now you see we got it super glued into place. Okay. And what else? This is all me. You know what I'm saying? I did all this. This is all you. I didn't have no help. It was pretty easy. You know, I actually did it with my eyes closed, and I had, you know, one hand tied behind my back, and you know what I'm saying? I don't need no help from nobody, especially this guy. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, as you can see, we working on the back. I just cut that thing out. Hey, this is pretty easy. Now I'm putting this thing on here. So this is all you do. It fits nice. Just nice fit. Back and talk. You don't do nothing else. You know, that's the way I measured it. Yeah, we can switch jobs. Go ahead, you got it. Throwing some super glue on there. Just throw it on. You gotta put the super glue on there to hold it down. So, you can find that at your local hobby store, or your Walmart, or your whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I got that super glued into place. Yep. See it from the bottom. Now it's putty time. This is that JB well water well. How do you know that? I love this stuff. I'm just gonna put this on the bottom to give it a cleaner look. You know what I'm saying? Don't trip about how rough it goes on. You want tripping? Cause you can sand it down, sand it smooth, square it up. You know, do whatever. So this is what I'm working with right now. You really want my job? And don't get scared. It's not sanded. I just threw it on there. I just threw it on there. Now keep in mind, I don't know if I'm doing this right. Yeah, because you didn't do it. But I hope I am. If I'm not, heads up. Heads up. This is what we got. Really? I got the motor. The motors are all in place. You know what I'm saying? I got them clamped down. I can't wait to see what you do in your next vid. So this is what it looked like. This is what my setup looked like. It's like that little Dickie song. That Freaky Friday. I got the two motors right there. Switch bodies with Chris Brown. Looking nice, sitting right. Now I'm gonna have to make some plastic walls so that T can go up and down in. You actually keep it even. Like you know what you're talking about. But that's nothing, you know what I'm saying? Some styrene walls. Kind of throw that in between those two motors. Just like that. It's gonna look good. So yeah, here go the slits I used to put my my little straps, tie the motors down. Really? I just used a Dremel. What else? Cut into it. And piece of cake. Hey, I'm just trying to help you out. You was taking a nap. A nap? Shh. Don't you ever shush. Hey, if you gonna be in here, you gotta be quiet. You think I'm playing with you? I'm still talking. So as you can see, I got the T in there. It's going up and down. That's how it's gonna work. But of course, I'm gonna put those plastic walls in between these motors right here. You know what I'm saying? So it's not done. I'm still working on it. Now I got the little axle in there, so you can see how I look with the axle. Oh, I can't wait till this video is over. It look nice. Yep. So yeah, this is just an update, you know. Show you what I'm working on. Trying to get this thing worked out. You know what I'm saying? Nope. This is how high it's gonna go, I guess. Oh, that's how high it's gonna go. You know, I don't know too much about these Mr. Model Man kits, so you know, it looked like it might work. I don't know. Okay. Hopefully it will. Don't sound too confident. If it don't, it's gonna still look nice. Sitting still. You know what I'm saying? Nobody knows what you're saying. You're a hater, and I hate you. I hate you too. You turned me into a hater. Good. I'm a hater because I hate you. Good. For being a hater. Boy, it's contagious. Yep, it's very contagious. Now you got it, hater. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start my own channel up. Yay! Where's my button at? Where's my button? Oh, that's how you really feel, huh? Alright. Guess you won't be hearing from me again. Oh, I'm out. He gonna cry in the car.